Good morning, student. Welcome back. In this class, today I am going to discuss about the properties of triangle and types of the triangle on the basis of sides and types of the triangle on the basis of angles. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed about the integers, multiplication and division of fraction, data handling, and lines and angles. In this sequence, we will discuss in this video that is the types of the triangle on the basis of sides and types of the triangle on the basis of angles. So now let us start. First of all, we know that triangle is bounded by three line segment. Triangle is bounded by three line segment and it has three sides and three vertices. So here the three line segment, that is AB, BC and CA. So in the triangle there are three sides AB, BC and CA, and it has three vertices, that is known as A, B and C. So here is the vertex, that is A, B and C. So here is the three angles in the triangle. In the triangle ABC, triangle ABC, three angles, that is angle A, angle B and angle C. So here the elements of the triangle, there are the three sides, three vertices and three angles. So here the interior of a triangle or exterior of a triangle. So here is some example, that is point P, Q, R, S. So interior of triangle. So in this triangle there are the triangle ABC. So interior of triangle means inside of the triangle. So here is the point P and R, that is the interior point, and point Q and S, that is the exterior point, because P and R lies inside of a triangle ABC. So these points known as the interior point in a triangle. Q and S outside of triangle ABC. So these point Q and R is known as exterior point. So now next term, that is the types of triangle on the basis of sides. So here is the next types of the triangle. Types of triangle. Types of the triangle on the basis of side. First classification of the triangle on the basis of the sides. On the basis of sides. So first, that is the equilateral triangle. Here is the equilateral triangle. First is the equilateral triangle. equilateral triangle. So first triangle is the equilateral triangle, which is based on the basis of the side. So equilateral triangle means if the all sides of the triangle is same or equal. So and each angle of in this triangle will be equal. If the sides of the triangle here AB, BC and CA. In the triangle ABC, there are the three sides AB, BC and AC. So here the equilateral triangle refers to the all sides of in triangle is equal or same. This type of the triangle is known as the equilateral triangle. And in the equilateral triangle, all angles are equal. So here the angle A, angle B, angle C. These angles are equal, and each angles are in the 60 degree. So here is the angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. So here the sum of angle of triangle equal to 180 degree. As you know that in any triangle the sum of angle of triangle is 180. So angle A plus B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So here the sum of the all angles of triangle equal to 180 degree. In the equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and each angles are equal. So here the angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Suppose that angle A is X, then angle A equal to B equal to C. Then each angles are same here. Then X and X. So angles of property in a triangle, sum of angle of triangle equal to 180 degree. So here the angle A equal to X plus X equal to 180. Then 3X equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 3. That is 60 degree. So it is clear that in equilateral triangle, each angles are 60 degree. Then angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. So properties of the equilateral triangle: in all sides of in any triangle are equal and each angles are equal. This type of triangle is known as the equilateral triangle, and each angles of equilateral triangle will be 60 degree. So now next is the isosceles triangle. Second is the isosceles. Now next is the isosceles triangle. So here the next triangle, which is based on the side or on the basis of side. The second type of triangle is the isosceles triangle. So here it is clear that if two sides of any triangle are same, so here suppose that triangle ABC, that triangle ABC. So according to this type of the triangle, isosceles triangle, if two sides of triangle are equal or same and base angles are also equal, this type of triangle is known as the isosceles triangle. So here the triangle ABC, this is the type of the isosceles triangle. So AB equal to AC, and here is the angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. So it is clear that, as you know that isosceles triangle, when the two sides of in any triangle are equal and base angles are equal, this type of triangle is known as the isosceles triangle. So if the suppose the triangle ABC given, then two sides here AB and AC are equal, then base angle in this triangle, that is angle B and angle C, then angle B is also equal to the angle C. So now next type of the triangle, that is the scalene triangle. So here the third types of the triangle, which is scalene triangle. As you know that scalene triangle refers to the length of all sides in any triangle will be unequal or different, and the magnitude of each angle in any triangle are different. So this type of triangle is known as the scalene triangle. Suppose that here the triangle ABC. So here the triangle ABC, if all sides are length of each side in triangle ABC are unequal and each angle are in triangle ABC will different, this type of triangle is known as the scalene triangle. So here the scalene triangle. So types of the triangle on the basis of sides. First type of triangle, that is the equilateral triangle, and equilateral triangles, in any triangle the all sides are equal in triangle, equilateral triangle are equal or same, and each angle in equilateral triangle will be also same, and the value of each angle is in equilateral triangle, that is a 60 degree. So now next is the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle refers to the two sides of any triangle will be same, then base angle are also equal. This type of triangle is known as the isosceles triangle. And third type of the triangle, which is known as scalene triangle. So scalene triangle, if the length of each side in any triangle will be different or unequal, and each angle in any triangle will be different, this type of triangle is known as the scalene triangle. So now next term of in this video, that is the types of the triangle on the basis of angles. So now next term of in this video, the types of the triangle on the basis of the angles. So here the first type of the triangle on the basis of angles, the first triangle is the acute angle triangle. That is the acute angle triangle. In any triangle, and all angles in a triangle is less than 90 degree, means that is each angle are acute angles. So this type of triangle is known as the acute angle. Less than 90 degree. So here the acute angle triangle, the first type of the triangle on the basis of the angle, that is acute angle triangle. So a triangle having all angle or each angles in a triangle less than 90 degree or acute angle. So this type of the triangle is known as the acute angle triangle. So now next is the right angle triangle. As we know that right angle means 90 degree. So here is any triangle in one angle in any triangle is 90 degree. So this type of the triangle is known as the right angle triangle. Suppose that here triangle ABC, triangle ABC, ABC, triangle ABC, and in this triangle the angle B equal to 90 degree. Angle B equal to 90 degree. So this type of the triangle is known as the right angle triangle, because in the triangle ABC one angle that is 90 degree and other remaining angle A and C, sum of the remaining angle A and C is 90 degree, because sum of angle of triangle in any triangle that is 180 degree. So this type of triangle is known as the right angle triangle, because in this triangle one angle is 90 degree and sum of the remaining two angles that is 90 degree. So it is clear that this type of the triangle is known as the right angle triangle. Now next, that is obtuse angle triangle. So the obtuse angle triangle, in any triangle, if one angle is greater than 90 degree, this type of triangle is known as the obtuse angle. So here is the obtuse angle. In any triangle, if one angle is greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree. So this type of triangle is known as the obtuse triangle. So types of the triangle on the basis of the sides, and second is the on the basis of angle. So types of the triangle on the basis of side, there are three types of the triangle. First is the equilateral triangle, second is the isosceles, and third is the scalar. Equilateral triangle means in any triangle all sides are equal. This type of triangle is known as the equilateral triangle. Second one is the isosceles. Isosceles triangle, in any triangle if the two sides of triangle are equal or same, then base angle are also equal. This type of triangle is known as the isosceles triangle. And third type of the triangle, that is the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, if length of each side in any triangle will be different or unequal, this type of triangle is known as the scalene triangle. So classification of triangle on the basis of the angles, there are three types of the triangle. First is the acute angle, second is the right angle, and third is the obtuse angle. So here is the first type of the triangle, that is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means if any triangle each angles less than 90 degree, this type of triangle is called the acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle, in any triangle one angle having 90 degree, this type of triangle is known as the right angle triangle. And third type of the triangle, that is obtuse angle triangle. In any triangle, if one angle is greater than the 90 degree, this type of triangle is known as the obtuse angle triangle.